If you want to trade in crypto futures and options, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step by actually taking a trade. I'll also explain the concept of leverage in a very simple way so you understand both the opportunity and the risk involved. So now, let's begin. This video is made for educational purposes only. Trading and investing involve market risk. This channel will not be responsible for any profits or losses. Firstly, if you don't have an account on Delta Exchange, I have provided a link in the description below. If you use our link, you get a 2000 rupees Adirah AI subscription absolutely free. But for that, don't forget to fill out the Google form mentioned in the description. Now, let's move ahead. Once your account is successfully created, you can download the Delta Exchange app from the Play Store or App Store and trade directly from your mobile phone. For this tutorial, I'll explain everything using a laptop so that you can clearly see all the features and understand the platform properly. But don't worry, the same functions are available on mobile as well, and they work exactly the same way. The first step after logging in is to add funds. Click on Add Funds. You can deposit money using UPI or bank transfer. One important thing to remember is that the bank account you use must be the same one you registered while opening your Delta Exchange account. If you are using UPI, it must be linked to that same account. Deposits and withdrawals are only allowed through the registered bank details. Once your funds are added, you can go to the market section. Here in this section, you'll see all the popular cryptocurrencies listed: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. But remember, here you are not trading spot crypto. You are trading crypto futures and options. Because this is futures trading, taxation structure is different compared to spot trading. Now, let's actually take a trade so you can understand everything practically. I'll select Ethereum as an example. Before placing the trade, you'll see the option to set leverage. Now, let me explain what leverage actually means. Leverage allows you to control a bigger position with a smaller amount of capital. For example, if one lot of Ethereum costs around $31 without leverage, you would need the full $31 to buy one lot. But if you use 25x leverage, that same lot might cost around $1.28. That means with the same $31, instead of buying one lot, you can buy multiple lots. This increases your profit potential, but it also increases your risk. So always remember, higher leverage means higher risk. Delta Exchange allows leverage up to 2x, but I strongly recommend that you do not use more than 25x leverage, especially if you are a beginner. Now, let's say I decide to use 25x leverage. I can either place a limit order or a market order. If I place a limit order, the trade will only execute when the price reaches the level I set. You can see this in the option order section. If I want the trade to execute immediately at the current market price, I can select a market order. Let's place the trade. Right now, the market price of Ethereum is 3178.7585. And I have placed my trade at 3178.4. If the market price comes down to my set price, the order will execute. If I want to trade to execute instantly, I can switch to a market order, or I can slightly adjust my limit price. For example, if I am ready to buy at 3180, I can modify the price and update the order. Now you can see that my Ethereum trade has been executed. At the moment, I am seeing around a $0.02 loss. Since I have invested a small amount, the profit and loss numbers are small. Now, it shows around a $0.03 profit, which is approximately $0.16 of my capital. From here, I can set a stop loss and a target. And if I want to exit manually, I can simply click on exit and close the trade immediately. Now, let me show you what happens with very high leverage. If instead of 25x, I use leverage and use 10% of my capital, I can buy around 84 lots, and I'm only putting in about $16. Now, I click buy. Initially, the order is pending because the price hasn't reached that level. So, I'll switch to a market order. Now, the Ethereum trade is executed with just $16 invested. But notice how quickly the profit and loss move. If the price go up, profit increases very fast. If the price drops, losses also increase very fast. This is why you should never use extremely high leverage. you should always limit yourself to a maximum of 25x leverage. For example, in one of our previous trades where we used 25x leverage, the price was moving up and down gradually, but with higher leverage, even a sudden $4 drop can create significant risk. You should not take that much risk unnecessarily. Always manage your capital wisely. I hope you understand how futures trading works on Delta Exchange through this live example. The Delta Exchange link is provided in the description. You can open your account from there. And don't forget to fill out the Google form to receive your 2000 Adirah AI subscription. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn crypto trading in detail, watch the next video.